sure Liz will love this. Liz! You made it! Come here!
Hi, Isha! Wow, smells good in here.
Thanks. Sit down and make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Here, you can have this.
Thank you so much.
Here, I prepared you some juice and snacks to eat because I don't want you to get hungry while you're here.
Oh, you're spoiling me, huh?
No worries. You're my guest and I want you to enjoy your visit.
Wow, thank you so much. So yummy.
Thank you.
Wala akong papel. Hindi ko pa maintindihan yung calculus.
Here, you can have some of mine. Don't worry, I'll help you out.
Oh, thank you.
So, okay, let me explain. First, you have to apply the derivative rule. Okay, step by step. See? It's easier.
Yeah, I get it. Oh, thanks again. I paid for something.
Okay.
Let's go. Wow! I actually passed the exam and it's all thanks to you, Liza. Your explanation really helped me.
I'm glad you understood it. That's what friends are for.
Ano boss?
Oh no! I forgot my umbrella!
Oh, luckily I have mine, so take it.
How about you?
It's fine.
Thank you.
Wala na loob niya sa pagtulong sa akin.
Ala, ay, oh, shoot, mag-practice man ta. Magmandang practice? Sige, sige.
Saan ko dapat mag-practice?
Dire na ta. Pwede po. Pwede na, dira. Pwede rin na. Awit man.
Nya, oras ugma kay sa oras ugma. Sunapod mo. Ira ba mo mga tuk sa'yo?
Promise, mga tuli sa'yo, ugma.
Ikaw ba no? Adto jud mo na. Ikaw rin perfect mali.
Repeat na siya, absent ay.
Buti yan. Tala.
Tala na, basta ugma hain.
1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later. Tomorrow.
Awa pa ako.
Awara, alas 8 na. Nya anak sila nga mag-practice to may inaning orasan. Sila ra dito wala dire.
One eternity later.
Wala, patay tang gisya. Alas 9 na. Patay ito na ba? Alo, sorry jud ka gisya. Naputlan mong gumig tubig. Wala kayo papalit. Tubig ko kaligo. Ako gisya, dungkay ko nakamot. Ako nagpilar ko gubig eh.
Anak mo ha, alas 8 na ana ta dire. Karon sa may oras na, alas 9 na, napatay buhaton niya.
Sorry jud ka. Ay, wala na makatulog.
Dami siya, nangyari lagi lang kung mama, di ko siya magkayo, mas buliw ka.
Lagi no, tanaw mo siyang forma. Mura yung shot ka na.
Natik, so pwede ko
No, like this. Nagbalik sila?
Di ko gusto magbalik sila kay ate.
Dapat igit siya mo sa kay Nor. Kasi hindi siya dahil, you know?